So we have a next question. It is telling that it is asking that a train normally covers a certain distance at a speed of 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. However, if it were to halt means it has to stop for a fixed time interval in each hour, its average speed reduced to 50 km per hour. Now the question is that what is the time interval for which the train halt in each hour? That means in 1 hour, what is the time interval for which the train will halt? Okay. So suppose what it is telling that if it normally travels, then if it travels without any kind of halt, then it will travel at a speed of 60 km per hour. That means in 1 hour it can travel 60 km. But this is not the case. The train travels at a speed of 50 km per hour. The train has to travel 50 km per hour because it has to halt. So for our simplification to solve the problem, we have considered that the distance for which the train travel is 60 km. Okay. So in 1 hour, so 50 km to travel it, so the speed of the average speed of the train is 50 km in 1 hour. So that is the speed given. But we will consider that the distance that the train travels is 60 km. So if the distance is 60 km, then what will be how much time it will take? 1 by 50 into 60 hour. That means 6 by 5 hours. So if the train has to travel with a speed of 50 km per hour, then the train will take 6 by 5 hours. 6 by 5 hours. So how much time it will take more? So when it was 60 km, the train when it was traveling with 60 km per hour, at that time it has taken only 1 hour. But when the train is traveling at 50 km per hour, it will take 6 by 5 hours. So 6 by 5 minus 1 will give me how much? 6 minus 5 by 5. 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is the time that will be required extra. Why this extra time is required? Because it is the halting time. Because it is the halting time. So this 1 by 5 hours the train has stopped. Okay, so now the question is asking that what is the time interval for which the train halts? So 6 by 5, it will take 6 by 5 hours. So in 6 by 5 hours, the halting time is 1 by 5. In 6 by 5 hours, the halting time is 1 by 5 hour. Okay. Now, what is the time interval for which the train halts in each hour? That means 1 hour. This is an hour. So 1 hour, how much time it will take? 1 by 5 into 5 by 6 hours. Okay. So 5 will get cancelled, or 1 by 6 hours. But our options are in minute, so we have to convert it into minutes. 1 by 6 into 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So 6 10 the 60. So 10 minutes. So 10 minutes will be the answer. Okay. 10 minutes will be the answer. This 10 minutes will be the answer. So in this way we have to solve this question. Okay.